Welcome to Cetacean Connections, where you'll get a chance to come along on a National Geographic expedition in Hawaii, learn from explorers, and develop critical skills for the explorer mindset so that you might become an explorer later on. After all, we need as many people as possible investigating the natural world and our oceans. Cetacean Connections is all about connecting you with Hawaii, the animals and marine life that call it home, and developing explorer skills. I'm Carissa, your trusty guide on this three-part journey. Let's dive in. Let me tell you a little bit about what we're doing and how you're going to be part of it. National Geographic and Ocean Exploration Trust have teamed up to host a series of expeditions around the main Hawaiian Islands. It's a program called From Shore to the Abyss, and it's a collaboration unlike any other. OET normally specializes in deep sea exploration, like using ROVs or underwater robots to better understand deep sea ecosystems and sharing it along the way. Their deep sea discovery and exploration helps us better understand ecosystems that we still have so much to learn about. But this time, we're doing something different. For this first expedition, the one that I'm bringing you along with us on, 2 teams from National Geographic have boarded the Nautilus, OET's research vessel. What could go wrong? I'm part of the marine mammals team, and we're studying the sounds that cetaceans, or dolphins and whales, make underwater in this region. And you're going to help us study the behavior of the dolphins that we encountered during this expedition in Hawaii. But first, every explorer needs some background information before they can start exploring. Hawaii is one of the most unique places in the world. As volcanic islands, the island chain came up from the seafloor from a volcanic hotspot millions of years ago. It's in the middle of the North Pacific, surrounded by a vast ocean on all sides. Native Hawaiians, or Kanaka Maoli, have traditionally managed their resources in a tremendously sustainable way. Ahupua'a, or land divisions, allowed regions of the island to thrive from ridge to reef, or mauka to makai. Areas of the reef would be protected from use for parts of the year, allowing them time to recover. This relationship with our natural world was reciprocal, the practice of giving back as much as one takes. And this is one reason why indigenous knowledge is so powerful when it comes to resource management and protecting our ecosystems. Integrating traditional and indigenous knowledge into conservation practices is the way that we will have the best shot at protecting our planet. Hawaii is home to over 20 species of cetaceans, or dolphins and whales. You can find these different species in a marine mammal field log that we created for you at the Conservationist Collective. Get to know them a little bit better. This is one reason why Hawaii is known as a living laboratory when it comes to studying cetaceans. It's also why this location is so important for our expedition. To explorers, scientists, and conservationists, cetaceans are known as sentinel species. Cetaceans are at the top of the food chain, and sentinel species means that they give us insight and hints about what's going on in the ocean ecosystem as a whole. They can signal to us if larger changes are going on in the ocean. The first step of exploration, and a skill that's important for all explorers, is the ability to collect information and provide background research on your target species that you want to study. So that's what we're going to do today. Choose a cetacean species that is found in Hawaii to adopt and learn more about. You can use our marine mammal field guide to collect information, but also use the tools available to you, like the internet, to background research the species. And while you're collecting this information, questions might pop into your head that you're curious about, and that's the explorer in you. Make sure to write them down. Once you're done diving into the research about the species you chose, we'll dive into other skills to collect data about this information. This journey is about to be a fun one, as we're setting off to answer questions about dolphins and whales that have never been able to be answered before. This is uncharted territory, and we're happy to have you aboard. See you in the next video.